Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Stephanie, your life coach and physician, and I'm just here on What's Happening Wednesday. And on this Wednesday, I wanted to just talk about, of course, what's happening with me, but also kind of what's happening right now. So what's happening right now is that we are in Black History Month, so that's wonderful. And we're also celebrating bringing awareness to cardiovascular disease. And a lot of the organizations that I'm in have a campaign called Pink Goes Red, where we wear red, hence the red that I'm wearing today, just to bring awareness to the fact that cardiovascular disease is the number one killer for women, also the number one killer for African American women. And I know a lot of times we think about cancer being the number one killer or breast cancer, but it is actually heart disease. And that hasn't changed in a few years. When I was doing my radio show, I used to have this segment called the Medical Minute, where I did a little bit of medical knowledge or just, some pertinent facts about medical conditions. So this is not the Medical Minute, but I did want to celebrate Pink Goes Red and bringing awareness to cardiovascular disease for women. So in that vein, what's happening with me is that I am trying to be consistent with my exercise routine. I'm doing better, but it is not easy. I think as we get older or for whatever reasons, it's just not as easy as it used to be. So I'm trying to remember that even though maybe the weight loss is not going as quickly as I want, that me doing that 30 minutes of exercise, a minimum of 5 days a week, is good for my heart. And so I want to take care of my heart. So I'm doing a little bit on my Peloton. I'm also going to Planet Fitness with my husband sometimes. And actually, I don't know. I used to think that Planet Fitness was kind of like a fake gym. I don't know why I thought that, but it's actually pretty nice. I think I might, go regularly. They have all of the equipment that you need. I guess the only thing they don't have is the classes. But for what we need to do, I think that the equipment is fine. So I've been enjoying going there. It's a struggle to get myself motivated to go. But once I get there, I'm great. And once I get moving, I love it. So I just want to encourage all of us to do whatever we have to do to get that 30 minutes of exercise. And sometimes I have to bribe myself with coffee afterwards. If you go and you exercise for 30 minutes, you can have Americano with sugar-free syrup afterwards, whatever it takes, because our hearts are important and I want all of us to live long and healthy lives. So that is what's happening on this Wednesday. I would love to hear any suggestions you have for me with my exercise or anything that's happening with you on this Wednesday. All right. Take care.